All right, on to independent practice. This one says write two equations that match each array. I'm going to let you guys work on the odds today, and I'm going to focus on the evens. So we're going to start by looking at this array of apples, and we need to write two equations. Remember, we want to write one equation where we're adding our rows, and then the second equation where we're adding our columns. So I'm going to circle up my rows first. I'm going to grab my pen here. And I'm going to circle up and see how many rows I have. So I have 1, 2, 3. And notice that they gave me 1, 2, 3 lines to add. So now I need to figure out how many apples are in each row. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I need to add 4 plus 4 plus 4. So I'm going to come down here and I'm going to write 4 plus 4 plus 4. 4, 8, 12. I can skip count by 4s, and I can say that there are 12 apples in all. Now I'm going to erase those circles, and I'm going to circle up by columns to write another equation to find the total amount of apples. So now I'm going to circle up. Remember, columns go up and down. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 columns, and each column has 1, 2, 3 apples in it. So I need to add 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. So I'm going to come down here and I'm going to write 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Then I can skip count by 3s. 3, 6, 9, 12. I know that there are 12 apples in that array. Now we're looking at blueberries down here. So again, I'm going to add by my rows first. So I'm going to circle up my rows of blueberries and see how many rows I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 rows of blueberries with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blueberries in each row. So I'm going to need to add 5 times. So I have 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. Now I can skip count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So I know that I have 25 blueberries in all. Let's see if we can write another equation adding the columns. I'm going to erase these. And grab my pen again. Now I'm going to circle up my columns. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blueberries in each column. So again, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to add 5 times. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. And I can skip count 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So I have a total of 25. Notice that when I said that I was going to skip count by 5 times. Sometimes we call multiplication our times tables. It's when we're using repeated addition is one of the ways that we can start to begin to think about multiplication. Number 7, I'm going to leave for you guys to do on your own, but I want to give you a hint. It says use the array to find the missing number. Notice that they are just missing one number, and the other number is 5. So I want you guys to think to yourself, are they adding by rows or by columns? Let's think. I can see here that there's 1, 2 rows, and they want to add 2 times. And each row has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If they were adding by columns, they would be adding 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Is that what they're doing here? No, so think about it. Look at our equations. When I'm adding, notice that when I add my columns, I'm adding the same number over and over. When I'm adding my rows, I'm adding the same number over and over, and the same up here. So I wonder what number goes there.